Genius isn't born, it's built. You don't need an IQ of 160 to think like one. It's about how you approach problems, curiosity, and creativity. Let's unlock your inner genius. Geniuses ask better questions. They don't just accept the status quo. Instead of asking, "What is this?" they ask, "What could this be?" Here are 3 habits to start thinking like a genius. 1. Stay curious. Ask why relentlessly. Stay open to learning every day. 2. Embrace failure. Geniuses see mistakes as feedback, not failure. Edison tried 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. 3. Think laterally. Don't just follow straight paths. Jump sideways. Use analogies, metaphors, and imagination. Train your brain daily. Practice creative thinking by journaling ideas, solving puzzles, or even doodling. Take breaks. Some of history's greatest ideas came during walks or showers. Give your brain space to wander and wonder. Start today with these steps. Ask 1 new question every morning. Spend 10 minutes brainstorming without judgment. Read something outside your comfort zone. Thinking like a genius isn't magic. It's a mindset. Start small. Stay curious. And remember, every great idea began with a single thought. Subscribe for more mind-expanding ideas.